I recently bought these Aiyima 45mm 3-watt speaker drivers at a low price. I had planned to make a DIY mini Bluetooth speaker with them, but honestly, the sound quality isn't top-notch. It's no surprise considering how affordable they were. In my opinion, these speakers work well as a tweeter, or just a basic small speaker that's louder than your phone speaker. They're not super loud, so don't expect too much from them. Anyway, here's a sound test and the moment I accidentally blew it during testing.